How to secure Facebook account from hackers. So if you want to secure your Facebook account from hackers, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook, now go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon. Scroll down and go for settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Once you tap on it, here you will have account center option. Tap on account center. Under account center, go for your password and security. Under that, you just need to simply go with two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication, and then you just need to simply choose Facebook. And here you need to re-enter your password. Once you re-enter your password, you just need to enter the code and then tap on continue. And once you enter your password, then you just need to simply turn on your two-factor authentication, because if you've not turned on the two-factor authentication on your device, then you will not be able to secure your Facebook account. So make sure to turn on the two-factor authentication and then go with the Authenticator app. And here you need to toggle on the option of Authenticator app. And you need to download the Authenticator app from your Google Play Store, and you need to secure your account. Or you can also go back and then go with the next option, which is SMS or WhatsApp. And you need to enter your mobile number if you've not added your mobile number. So enter your mobile number and then you will receive a code. You just need to simply enter that code and you will be able to secure your Facebook with phone number. Or you can go with additional methods, and here you will have recovery codes. So you just need to simply go with the recovery codes and you will get a bunch of recovery codes. You just need to simply go with turn on, which is on the bottom, and you may have 2 or 3 recovery codes which you can use if you're not being able to log into your Facebook. So in this way you can secure your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.